back to my channel, and now I need to download driver Canon imageCLASS. This here for serial. You type here for driver download, and this why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website. You click here, and this why you scroll down, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system. My operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Linux, you click here. This here for the operating system for the Linux, for the Macintosh, and this here for the Windows. For this here for the new Macintosh the version. You scroll down, and this video and the download driver for Windows 11. Click here for Windows 11, and this here for the match the the driver for the Windows 11 support. This here for the printer graphic, and I'm recommendation for you. You download here for the printer graphic. This here for the support for the printer, and this here for not scanner. Okay, you click here, and this here for information for the fashion support, and this here for the information. Click this. If you need download, you click here for the download. If you need install driver for the new printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC retake USB cable printer, and please wait finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.